Heading to the track on an airplane today with Dr. K. To me, pretty cool. I've never been on a small airplane like this, so here we go. It's a boat plane.
Art Deco and dictionary, that picture was probably
Thanks a lot. Clear. See you. Let's see, those are mine.
Oh, there.
And the bag that was back there with you guys, there you go. Although the ones in the bag might be better than these, I probably should look first.
That was tipping. It's nice when you have to deal with security lines or TSA because of this, we get patted down. Checked. Good stuff. Crazy painting. Flying's awesome. And I said we gotta have our plane on Monday. So we just got to the track and it's way better flying. Like I was saying earlier, I don't think TSA would let me fly because I look sketchy. The beard. Security. I had water. I had tools on my bag. I had everything. And I'm really pumped that we get to fly to the track twice a week. And other places too if we get the chance. So, as I choke on my own spit, because that's really mature, I'm gonna go. Oh, here's the other guys. There they are. Well, I'm gonna go and go work my butt off for World Cups. So we just got done with the workout, and I'm taking it as a good sign because I felt really good at the beginning, and now I feel like shit. Good work, I think. Now I'm standing here looking for a cab to make sure they don't drive by. So, for some reason my voice is all weird too. God, I really gotta stop smoking.
I'm video chatting with Kaylin, and she is at Christie's, and now we get to see Luke, and I'm so excited! Look at that baby! Oh,
He's sleeping.
her hand is the size of half of his body.
Which is what
I
babies
love
are.
him. It's Mama and Kaylin! Hello!
It's the blonde show.
Your baby is so beautiful.
You are so beautiful.
You're so beautiful. Austin's gonna look at this footage and be like, wah. But if he doesn't put it in, we're gonna kill him, so. Yay.
So I literally just decided tomorrow we're not doing anything particular with work or training, so I'm gonna drive home back to my parents' place and surprise Stephanie. Got some bags packed. The vlog is exporting right now. Should be. Where is it? There it is. And I'm not gonna wait for it. I'm gonna leave like right now and get there and be like, surprise! So the next clip you'll see is me going, surprise! To Stephanie.
Okay, well, talking to Christy and Kaylin and seeing Lucas in real life for the first time was like, well, I guess in real life, but on the video chat was probably the best part of anything in a really long time. I miss my friends. But I got this text message from Austin a little bit ago. You should see what he does to me. It's so annoying. He said, T-minus 50 minutes. And I was like, until what? And he just did this. You have to see. He sent me smiley faces upon smiley faces upon smiley faces. And then just sent me a bunch more. His phone has like this little button that you just hit all the smiley faces in a row. It's so annoying because he always uses it. But I think he's coming here. Do you think he's coming here? I think he's coming here. I'm really excited if he's coming. I'll be really sad if he doesn't come, but I'm excited. Austin thinks he's being sneaky, but he's not. Who could it be at the door? Zoe, who is it? You think it's a stranger? Is it another Jehovah's Witness? Oh my gosh! No one's here! Did he come in through the garage now? Juicy, where is he? Did Zoe go back in the house? Zoe! That means she found him. Juice! Come here. Jesus, Zoe. Oh my god, I had no idea you were coming. Oh, jeez.
Zoe's neck
Zoe,
off.
stay. Zoe, stay. Zoe, Zoe, Zoe. Zoe, come here. Zoe, come.
Zoe.
Zoe, come.
Zoe.
Zoe, come.
She's like used to like walking like.
There are two things that are creeping me out right now in my room. There's baby staring at me, and Michael Buckley is oddly on my dresser staring at me as I'm really shaky. What the fuck? Yeah, what's up? And look at this thing. That is a gnarly descent. And we came up this side, which is just as twisty as